Today, MLA Paul Dangshu paid a visit to the Kathalcherra TMC Higher Secondary School and Hostel, only to discover a distressing state of infrastructure that left him deeply concerned. The school and St. Boys Hostel have been grappling with deplorable conditions, highlighting a pressing issue of budgetary discrimination. During the inspection, it was evident that the school's infrastructure was in a pitiful state. The water tanks were found dried up due to an entire week without electricity, leaving the students and staff deprived of a basic necessity. Shockingly, the hostel accommodations were woefully inadequate, with only a few beds available for a staggering 60 students. Consequently, the majority of the children were forced to sleep on the floor, posing significant challenges to their health and well-being. Adding to the woes, MLA Paul Dangshu pointed out the non-functional water filter, which had been constructed a few months ago but remains useless due to apparent neglect. Furthermore, the absence of a proper dining table and hall for hundreds of students to have their midday meals exemplified the woeful state of affairs, reflecting a dire need for immediate attention and action. In response to these distressing findings, MLA Dangshu expressed his disapproval, terming the situation as systematically discriminated budget. He highlighted the urgent requirement for equitable allocation of funds to ensure the proper maintenance and improvement of educational institutions like Kathalcherra, TMC, Higher Secondary School, and its hostel. Later in the day, during his return journey, MLA Dangshu visited the 82-mile Primary Health Centre, PHC, and had a candid conversation with the dedicated doctors and staff. Despite the challenges faced by the medical facility, he praised the unwavering commitment of the employees in serving the community. MLA Dangshu asserted that once the necessary infrastructural and budgetary improvements are made, there will be no obstacles preventing the region from progressing towards prosperity. He vowed to advocate for the much-needed reforms and support required to uplift the educational and healthcare sectors in Kathalcherra. As the dire conditions at Kathalcherra TMC Higher Secondary School and Hostel come to light, the public's attention has been drawn to the urgent need for intervention from the concerned authorities to address the issues at hand and ensure a brighter future for the students and residents of the region.